Hi guys, welcome to our Hello Kitty squad.
Okay, hello Kitty girls.
Yep.
Okay, so my name's Nicole.
Or you could call her Ciara. My name's Sabrina. Okay, first we're gonna start with our Capri Sun fruit punch. Is it fruit punch? Yeah. Cheers.
Antiking kayo na. Kaya lang gamin, di ba?
It's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna have some of. Now we're gonna try some of our chips. Cheers. Wait, we're gonna do this last
Because it will taste weird.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have a blue.
Have red.
Cheers.
Among Us.
Stop.
Only I bit my lips so it hurts.
So, ako ay hope kung ito nga yung
Ayun na lang, Moji.
yung ihip ng hangin sa kanya sa relasyon niya. Nagbago na.
Stop it.
Hindi mo kahit si ate ngayon napapansin ko na ano siya, hindi na siya
You're making us do a whole video.
ngayon.
Sorry, guys.
We can just we can put that away. Wait, this is mine. This is bit.
Oh, yeah.
Siyempre, alam ko kapatid ko, men, pag may pera yun, dude.
Okay,
This is what it
now.
looks like in the inside, by the way.
Yeah, I ate mine. So now I'm gonna try the green. Cheers.
The purple, I forgot what.
Mine says wild.
Wala sa card ko.
I'm not funny.
Oh,
She can do anything.
gonna have a green.
Tsura niya.
We just try.
Shy fly. Shy fly.
I will not.
Sa paling kita.
Hindi naalala ko kasi nung wedding ko. Bastos ko kasi nung wedding ko.
Nasa-
Sila pinagsisigaw ko. Pati yung pamangkin nito, oh.
Sarap nga, di ka sunod ko basta eh.
Oo, grabe ang, pati yung kapatid kong babae, si Em. Tapang yun.
What was that guy saying? This is how I'm trying.
Stop. Okay. Now, now, stop it. Not
I'm
video.
not eating this. You guys can have it.
Yeah, you guys can have it. Since you're being annoying. I'll give
And at
you
the
all
end
of
of
this if you annoy us.
Before we eat our chips,
Kapatid.
Sabrina.
Go over there.
Sige lang. No, sige.
Go over there first.
Before we eat the chips, you have to finish
Go
all
over
of
there.
this.
Both of you guys. Go.
Before we eat the chips, you have to finish all this. So, now let's eat the cake, the strawberry cake.
Cheers. Pinakamaraming pera. Yan, yan. Maraming pera.
Go over there.
Kasi ano eh, hindi siya gastadora. Hindi siya gastadora.